Hello student, today I will explain power factor improvement by static condenser. This is three-phase line RYB, this is the load is P kilowatt and power factor of cos phi 1 length. By P is equal to root 3 VLI cos phi, we calculate the current, that is IL. So current flowing from the supply is also IL, that is load current, and power factor is cos phi 1. So for the voltage, as the power factor is lagging, we draw with respect to voltage, current is lagging at a power factor is cos phi 1. Now this is the actual power. There is a vector diagram. Now we draw the power triangle. This is the P, AB. AB shows the active power of the load and BC shows the reactive power of the load. That is, if it is P, this is the active power, and BC is the reactive power, this is P tan phi 1. Power factor is lagging at an angle of phi ohm, so active power is P, which is shown by this AB, and reactive power shown by the BC, which is P tan phi 1. There is a power triangle of the load and vector diagram of the load. Now we connect the capacitor, that is condenser. This condenser, static condenser, may be two types. One is connected either star system or we can connect delta system. Here I am connecting a delta system capacitor, that is 1, 2, 3 capacitor is connected in delta by the switching arrangement. Now I close the switch. Let the current flowing from the capacitor is IC. This current is, suppose this is total current IT. Okay, we know as the capacitor are not taking any power, so is power taken by the capacitor band is 0. Now due to IC, we know static capacitor power factor angle is leading 90 degree with respect to voltage. Now IC is leading IC with this is the voltage VL. With respect to voltage, current is lagging. Now IC with respect to voltage, current is leading 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. So let after the improvement, let the power factor is improved from phi 1 to this is IT, this is I1. So IT, actually IT is the resultant of IL and IC test. What is IC test? IC, a relation between IC and IC test. IC is the phase current in delta system and IC test is line current. So here the IT is equal to IL plus IC test. Now, what is the power triangle? Before connecting, this diagram is before connecting the capacitor bank. This is the power triangle of the load, and after connecting the capacitor bank, capacitor does not taking any power, so power remains same as before, but the angle is decreases. So angle is decreases. Suppose this point is D. So this angle is phi 2. After improvement, that means angle before connecting the capacitor angle was phi 1, and after connecting the capacitor the angle is phi 2. So this point BD, we can write BD is the net power factor of the net power factor, net reactive power factor of the system. So BD is equals to P10 phi 2. So before connecting the capacitor bank, the reactive power was BC, that is P10 phi 1, and after connecting the capacitor bank, the reactive power is BD, which is equals to P10 phi 2. Now CD is equals to BC minus BD. So this we can write, this BC is equals to P10 phi 1 minus P10 phi 2. So CD is the leading kVA supplied by the capacitor bank. So this is the rating of the capacitor bank. So leading kVA supplied by the capacitor bank is equal to CD. CD equal to BC minus BD equal to CD. So at first we find the rating and kVA rating of the capacitor bank we calculate. Now you calculate what is the rating of the capacitor. C, what is C? Now C can be calculated here. Suppose we draw this single capacitor. This is the C. This voltage is VL. This also we can write Vphase, because we know in delta system line voltage and phase voltage is equal. And kVA rating of the total system we know. If we divide by 3, we can say this is the kVA rating of the each bank. So kVAR divided by 3. That means the kVA rating of the each capacitor. So kVAR, kilovolt ampere reactive. Kilovolt ampere reactive, that means kVAR. We can write kVAR capacitor is equals to volt ampere reactive divided by 1000. So what voltage current, and the angle between voltage and current is 90 degree, because this angle is voltage with respect to voltage current in 90 degree. So sin 90 VAR means VI sin 90 degree 1000. So sin 90 equal to 1, we can write. So KVA of the capacitor bank, we can write KVA of the capacitor. This is equal, because sin 90 equal to 1, so KVA of the capacitor each bank, and KVA of the each KVA of the KVA and KVA in the same match. Now this KVA of the each capacitor we calculate. Now KVA, if we divide by voltage is given, we can find IC. This is current IC, we calculate. So voltage is given, IC is calculate. So XC is equals to VL or VL divided by IC. So XC of the each capacitor, that is capacitive reactance of the each capacitor, that is inductive reactance, capacitive calculated by XC. We know XC is equals to 1 by C into 2 pi F. XC is given, second normal frequency is 50. So if we put this value Vc and F, we calculate this C. Now if the one C is calculated, so each capacitor also C. So by the help of this system power factor power triangle, we can calculate the KVR of the bank is total, and capacitor of each bank we can calculate. This is the power factor improvement by static capacitor. I hope you will understand. Next day I will explain power factor improvement by synchronous machine. Thank you.